Hi everyone, today we're doing lesson 2. We are making predictions with the line of best fit. Your learning target is, I can make predictions by plugging in values into the linear model, also known as the line of best fit, that represents a scatter plot. So let's jump right into an example. So Jacob distributed a survey to his fellow students asking them how many hours they spent playing sports in the past day. He also asked them to rate their mood on a scale of from 0 to 10, with 10 being the happiest. A line was fit to the data to model the relationship. This problem should sound familiar. It's the same problem we worked with yesterday or during lesson 1, except we're just answering a different question here, okay? Remember, the line of best fit is an estimation of where the data approximately falls. Okay, it is not 100% foolproof. It is an estimation, an average. It's the best way to interpret the data. Okay, so the line of best fit, we can see that blue line drawn in. Here is the equation of that line. Now, next year, you will learn how to find that equation, but not this year. We're just gonna provide that equation to you and we have to use it. So remember, Y represents in this problem the mood rating. So this is saying the mood rating, to find Y, we have to do 1.5 times X, which is the hours they spent playing sports, and then we're going to add 5. So based on this equation, so based on the line of best fit, we're going to estimate the mood rating for a student that spent 2.5 hours playing sports. So 2.5 hours, we have to use the model or the equation. Hours represents X. So we are just plugging in 2.5 in for X. And that's all. We're solving this now. Okay, so I'm copying and pasting, by the way. It's just so much easier to work with. So 1.5 times 2.5, you can do that on your own. We get 3.75. And then we have to add 5 to that. And we get 8.75. And let's make sense of that. So making sense of that in the context of the problem means that we're using sports and mood ratings to describe it. So after a student spends 2.5 hours playing sports, their mood rating is approximately, because it's not perfect, not every single person who has played sports for 2.5 hours is going to have a mood rating of 8.75. So you have to say approximately or about, or it estimates, something like that. All right. Okay, I want you to give the next one a try on your own. So pause the video and try number 2. Check your work with my work. In 6 hours, Daniel can hike approximately 13.5 kilometers. And that's all we got for today. You can self-assess here. Today was actually our last lesson. It's a short week this week. Tomorrow you have a practice assignment and then your evidence of learning. As always, let me know if you have any questions or comments.